most of the times the quality of our photos and our pictures that we download from Google is actually very low, and so when you get to share it to one or two friends, it goes down and it's like destroyed. So today I am super excited to show you how to download high quality images from Google using your phone. Are you happy? So welcome back. This is Story Media. Okay, so before, when you want to start downloading your high quality images, go to Google. So we'll be using Google. Go to Google or Chrome, that's the same. Then you can type background or any image that you want to download. You just type background. Now what you want to do the first trick that I'm about to show you is you need to turn on the desktop mode. So go to this three icon button here. Then go down and you'll see something desktop site. Now when you see this desktop site, you hit on it. Now your view will be turned to a desktop view. Okay, so this is the view. So what you do is you hit on image. So you zoom in, you hit on image. Now while you are on image, you will see the different types of images that are here, and when you also hit on it, you'll see that they are just like, let me say, average, right? The qualities are average. Now what you want to do to download it at a high quality, as I said, is you want to hit tools. So I'll zoom in, you'll see something like tools, right? Once you hit tools, there will be something that will pop up this way. Now these hidden features will pop up. This size, color, type, and time. Now you want to hit size. Now hitting size is for you to automate or change the quality of the image you want Google to give you. So once you hit large, the images turn to high quality. That is, the images are at their maximum megapixels. They are at their height of quality and resolution. Okay, so anyone that you want to download, you just hit on it, then you just kind of long press, then you say kind of long press, then you download. Okay, so that's how we download high quality images. So once you have changed the size and you place it at the high quality level, all you need to do is choose the image, the photo, the video in which you want to download. Then once you have situated it, once you have seen it, you just hit download and done. If you can see, and you just hit done. So that's it today, guys. I'll see you in another video. If you got value from this video, hit the subscription button, for we are on our way to 200 subscribers. So you subscribing will be very helpful. Okay, so thank you very much. Hit the like button, and till next time, I'll see you. Peace.